Viewers, welcome to the Pyresearch channel. In this video, we will be discussing about the how to YOLO V8 object detection with the DeepSORT tracking, and you can see the live tracking of the about cars and object, and you can see the DeepSORT algorithm. We are going to the officially website also, previous video installation part, and also creating some dependency. So you can see the ones I am creating simple one report. You can see the one picture of the YOLO V8 object detection with DeepSORT tracking of the cars, trucks, and number of platform. It is very 1.67 frame per second faster than the YOLOv8. Okay, so I hope I will update all codes in this report. So we are going to the our main folder. So you can see I am already in my vehicle detection and counting system main folder. So I am putting one video file traffic. Sorry, it's not. So you can see the YOLOv8 DeepSORT object tracking report. I will upload all model and all things. All will be updated in this algorithm. So in Git account, so you can see the update all reports here. So you can see the files of the DeepSORT and all things. So I will upload all algorithm in my Git account. It's not very we will update soon. So I'm going to the open terminal, new terminal. Okay, my code in the download folder. So I'm going to the my downloading folder, cd desktop download, cd YOLO V8 DeepSORT. Okay, you can see the all dependencies, all algorithm files, and it will be here. So we are going to the run this algorithm. You also going to the YOLO V8 detection part. Okay, so here the our I am going to the my history. So you can see the YOLO V8 testing source and V8 it's depending on you what kind of to you going to the run, what kind of easy to use to run. So I am opening my, so it's not very, just go to the this command. Okay, Python YOLO V8. I will show you one by one. YOLO V8 detection part, then detect and script name, model name YOLO V8. V8 it's not M, L. So you do not worry, we are going to the one by one in folder. You can see the focus on the YOLO. We are going to the V8. After detect, you can see the all dependencies will be here. Okay, Python. If you have the any kind of problem, I will update this command in my Git account. So you do not worry, just copy and paste. I will open it. So I will show you. Here the logs, okay. Here the track file. We cannot track week count, and we use this command, this link, okay. So Python script name is tracking underscore vehicle dot py, okay. uh, Put here the source. So you can see, put here the Python. So you can see the Python tracking underscore vehicle dot py, okay. Models equal to YOLO v8 dot p. So source equal to we are testing mp4, okay. And this command link will be, I will update it at my Git account, so you get all reports and all dependency, all type of codes from here. So I will just updating, showing you how to run and how to this type this kind of report will be work you get from here, okay. Okay, so you can see the Python track model name, source file, and is showing true, okay. Track underscore vehicle dot py. In the we are putting, so I am going to the my YOLOv8 detection test.mp4, okay. Test.mp4, getting all result. So I'm going to the Sublime. It's taking time, 1 minute, okay. Then discuss the validation part, training part. It is get from just focus on the this report, this file, Python file will be necessary. So you get a DeepSORT from my Git account. Then you also all things models, and then read all files and these files from my Git account. So you can see the result. It's taking time. You can see the one creating one simple line, car detection track. It's not a truck, it's a board, but this case is showing the truck, okay. You can see the one car will be going to from this line will be count, track the object, detect the object, count the object with DeepSORT. So let me explain to further this algorithm, YOLOv8. So you show, first of all you show the result will be counted. It's not track is a car, but just need to time to grow more develop to YOLO V8, but its frame really very good to YOLO V7. So I am waiting for the result. Here you see the logs of the track car and multiple objects will be detected. So what is new of the YOLO V8? It is new state of the art of the YOLO V8 model used to object detection image classification already in the YOLO V7, V5, V4 will be achieved. But in this case will be new, is frame per second will be very high. So it's taking time for the object will be tracked, and also will be, you can see the will be detected. So you can see the number of the vehicle entered tracking one. You also showing the car will be going on the this line will cross this line will be count. So it's tracking how much will be video will be passed 27 in one video 549 uh, so you can see the showing some results. I will explain the what's the new of the YOLO V8. The field computer science the advanced release the YOLO V8 model. Definitely you also see a lot of people sees the YOLO V8. Jump to trend YOLO V8, skip the job post straight over to YOLO V8. You can trend YOLO V8 and deploy in minutes. So what is YOLO V8? YOLO V8 new state of the art YOLO V8 objectation image, and a lot of things will be used, segmentation task and a lot. Ultra lenses, which also create the industrial defined YOLO V5 model. YOLO V8 include numeric architectural and developing experience change improve over YOLO V5, but YOLO V5 will be industrial used. So a lot of will be things will be will be changed in YOLO V8. So I hope you like it. Please support our channel for more information updates. All codes will be in my Git account. You will get from here. Any type of confusion in running algorithm, you comment down. But keep in mind, we are all this algorithm will test 3.9.13. I hope you like it. Please support our channel for more getting information updates.